Hi everybody, today I have something different. I'm gonna try to make a trailer for my car with this Opel rear end. This is gonna be the wheels, this is the rear end from an Opel. I'm just gonna chop off everything that I don't need, like the brake lines and the wiring for the ABS. But first I need to wash it down with pressure washer. Okay, all the material is cut to length. It's gonna be like 2 meter, 120 centimeters, and this is gonna be the base. Okay, so I lay out the frame. this adapter. I'm just gonna weld it on the shaft, but it doesn't fit, so I need to cut a slice in here, a groove, and just tighten it and then weld it. It would go something like this. There's very little distance, but I need to slice it in and just clamp it to fit.